Guys, ngayon nandito kami sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, kasama ho na isang business partner natin from Papua. So, ngayon, andito siya kung paano siya nag-join sa Global. This is my partner from Papua.
I'm the first Papua New Guinean to join AIM Global, and at the beginning it was a bit hard. People were already in other networks, they were not convinced, but after they see what was happening to my life, especially as a cancer patient and a testimony by myself, they are encouraged and so many of them are joining. There's only one problem, that we really need a BCO in our country. If we have a BCO in my country, AIM Global will invade Papua New Guinea. So we need a BCO right now and we are working on it. It's really challenging and it's nice because other networks, they don't have travel incentives. But AIM Global, we have travel incentives, and that's one of the credit. And this is the thing that is motivating everybody to come. And another thing is the scholarship. I already brought 6 students, they're studying here, including my son. And plus also those, insurance plan and all this is very good, because in Philippines it's hard to afford all this, but when you're in AIM Global it's very easy.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Guys, kung siya nagawa, kung siya ang lahing lugar nagawa niyang hit ang incentive sa to, how much mo ikaw, alam ko kayang-kaya mo. Congratulations. Yes, power! Grabe. Thank you.